CrowdStrike stock may have pulled down some discounts. It is down 7.4% in the pre-market session of today, the 4th of June 2025. Yesterday, it printed an intraday high of 493.4. Right now, it's just trading slightly outside of its price channel. Let's see now. The company reported first quarter adjusted earnings that topped Wall Street consensus, but revenue in the period of $1.1 billion, up 20% from a year earlier, missed expectations of $1.11 billion. The quarter included general and administrative cost of $38.7 million related to a widespread software outage last July. CrowdStrike said it expects a second quarter adjusted profit of 82 cents to 84 cents a share, better than estimates of 81 cents on revenue of $1.14 billion to $1.15 billion, below forecasts of $1.16 billion. Okay, so that's what's going on amongst other things. Let's see now. There's also more data here. Forecast financial year revenue of $44.74 billion to $4.81 billion, with adjusted net income of $878.7 million to $909.7 million, and adjusted earnings per share between $3.44 and $3.56. The CEO, George Kurtz, highlighted the firm's strong cybersecurity position amid rising risks from AI threats, emphasizing its ability to secure identities, workloads, and data. And we have bird analysts warned that CrowdStrike Holdings may face challenges in the second half of the year due to potential federal spending cuts affecting its government procurement channel and growth. So let's see now. This is its 4-hour chart. It's currently ingesting the data. It's reflecting what's going on right now. The underlying trend on this chart is a bullish one. We have, in terms of projections, regardless of this decline, we have 507.71, 528.50, 541.34, regardless. So that's why I'm probably mentioning or thinking, or that's why I began saying that it has pulled down some discounts. So market participants may see this as a discount. They may see this as a dip to get involved. So it's also trading within, I believe, probably within one standard deviation of its 40 period moving average. And each time it came close to that, all the way back. Let's say now, all the way back to the 21st of April, it has rebounded. It has found a pivot somewhere. You can see that apart from this anomaly here, this doesn't follow, because here you can see that it was within one standard deviation. It pulled back, it pivoted, but yes, it did get a rejection, but it didn't. What the condition I'm talking about here is just a pivot. There has always been a rebound, and it happened, but the moving average proved a resistance. So the further decline doesn't follow the pattern. It's just it just brings up another theory, which is that maybe each time the 40 period moving average proves to be a resistance, then we might see a significant decline, but it's just only one case. So all along, we can see here from the 21st of March, from the 24th of April, you can see that many cases, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, five, and probably this one 6. So 5 cases like that. When it came close will be on the way down, above or below. So yeah, we have had 5 cases. So this case is also below as well. So let's see how it goes. Let's see how it goes. It may be a discount. So we'll take note of the projections here on this chart. So we have CRWV. We have CRWD. Yeah, CrowdStrike CRWD. We have 507.71, 528.50, and 541.34. So let's have a look at the 3 hour chart. Before we do that, easily the probability of it rebounding and also proceeding to retest the highs of 488 is easily very good. So let's see now. There was this resistance here at 465. So we take that 465. Let's see whether we can. If you look over here, this is where the moving averages are. If the moving average is greater than 465, then you are looking at a probability that is greater than 50%. So for 465, yeah, we can have we have 440. For all the moving averages are okay. For the first moving average is a 10 period moving average. The second one is the 21. Third one is the 40 period moving average. Then the last one is a 200 period moving average. So in the first 2 cases, yes, there's definitely a more than 50% probability that they can retest 465, slide along, and we pick up the momentum. Yeah, it's just right on, just slightly below 50%. So slightly below 50% in this case. But if you sum it up, we'll probably be slightly ahead. We'll slightly be up. If you accumulate those values, those probabilities, we'll probably have it will be slightly up above 50%. So in the third case, we have 469, especially for in the case of the 10 period moving average. We have let's move 465. Yeah, we have 468. Yes, we have another 50%, another probability that's more than 50% slide along. Yes, we have, okay, this time around we have 445 less than 465. So ultimately, we do have a probability of it retesting 465 based on the 10 period moving average. Yeah. So let's move on to the 3 hour chart and see. On the 3 hour chart, what do we have? We have 507.71 as well, 528.50 as well, 541.34 as well. Yeah, so the lower prices are extrapolated. Okay, so let's see now. We can just jump all the way to the 1 minute chart and see. Sometimes these single digit minute charts can display some really radical upper projections. Let's see what we have here. Okay, nothing radical. They are all below the current price. Yeah, they are downward projections. Let's quickly jump to the 3 minute chart and see what we have. Let's see what we have. Let's see. We don't have anything. 4451 is a downward projection. Is it a slight upper projection? Yeah, no. Right around where it's currently trading at right now. So let's have a look at the 5 minute chart. Let's see what we have on the 5 minute chart. Let's see what we have. Yeah, everything is a downward projection, or right around where the stock is trading. So we missed the 2 minute. Let's quickly look at it and see what we have. On the 2 minute chart, we have 451.74. So see what you make of CRWD, and thank you very much for watching this video.